Alright, today I'm here to show you my presentation on the Unit 3 Chapter 5 Reflection by Elijah John Newcomb. So let's begin. Alright, here we have focal point or emphasis. Emphasis is defined as an area or object within the artwork that draws attention and becomes a focal point. Now, a focal point refers to an area in the composition that has a significance, an area that the artist wants to draw attention to as I don't know, the viewer. Alright, contrast. Contrast is a difference in luminance or color that makes an object distinguishable in visual perception of the real world. Contrast is determined by the difference in the color and brightness of the object and other objects within the same field of view. Balance is the distribution of the visual weight of objects, texture, and space. With the design or the scale, these elements should be balanced to make sound feel stable. Movement is the path the viewer's eye takes through the work of art, often to focal areas. Such movement can be directed along the lines, edges, shape, color within the work of art. Pattern is the repeating of an object or symbol all over the work of art. Rhythm and pattern. Rhythm is the principle of design that suggests movement or action. Rhythm is usually achieved through repetition of lines, shapes, colors, and more. It creates a visual tempo in the artworks and provides a path for the viewer's eye to follow. Pattern is an underlying structure that organizes or structures in a consistent, regular manner. Pattern can be described as a repeating unit of shape or form, but can also be thought of as a skeleton that organizes the parts of a composition. Here we have unity. Unity, also called harmony, is an important principle of design that gives the artwork a sense of cohesion or coherence. It is the wholeness or completeness of a picture. Unity and harmony in art are used by artists to tie a composition together and help the composition make sense as a whole piece of art. Like I just put in the Da Vinci artwork in here. See?